Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, a very warm welcome to you too. Behind me are the top 3 cars as voted for by everybody here at Simply Land Rover. But before we find out who's won, there's a few extra bits to this video. First, we're going to see you coming in with some beautiful cinematic shots. Then we've got an amazing drone footage montage of you on the off-road course. Then we have a walk around the show, so if you were here, you can relive it, and if you weren't, you can see what you missed. And then we're finally going to find out who's won the People's Choice Award. So without any further ado, let's roll that cinematic entry. Right, let's go and have a look around the show. Let's head over this way first and have a look around. Now, over there's a very interesting vehicle I want to show you, and over there is the worst vehicle I've ever driven in my life. But first, let's have a quick glance in the arena. How lovely. Such an iconic shape, isn't it? That hasn't really changed much. Some lovely Series 1s. There were some lovely Series 1s coming in. Did you enjoy it on the intro as they came in? This is very cool, isn't it? Bigger wheels lifted up. Bet that'll be a riot on the off-road. But over here, just behind, you're expecting 4x4s. Are you expecting to see a 6x6? Look at that. I wonder if they've taken drive only to those rear wheels, or if they've kept it to the forward 4 or all 6. Interesting to find out, wouldn't it? Look at what it's hauling. Look at that. Right, let's keep going round, as I want to get down the Spine Road as well. Quite like that Range Rover, it's got essence of that colour on it, hasn't it? What a contrast from this morning, eh? Lovely blue skies now, but keeping back down here. Lovely ambulance. Very popular to convert into campers, those. But over here, look at this. From Judge Dredd, and I'm pretty sure they drove it here today. Well done to you. I have driven one of these. Really loud inside, can't see anything out of it. But isn't it a wonderful thing? Let's have a quick nose inside, shall we? You see the 3 screens help you see out of it. There you go. Now you can see sort of what you can see forward of it. And quite a bit of space in the back. But again, it's just a cavernous space inside where the sound echoes around from that engine. Built for looks. Right, let's keep heading down in this direction. We'll head down across the grass areas and we'll walk back up the Spine Road. They all look similar, but they're all different in their own way. Like that, like the back end on that, that's very cool. Oh, that's immaculate. That's a real nice example. Probably the most underrated Land Rover going. Old Friedlander. Very popular with the people that own them. The new and old sat next to each other there. They do have presents, don't they, the new ones? Hanson Burke's 4x4 response. I'm pretty sure they were the first club set up here this morning. Hats off to you guys. And then down here, Range Rover owners, they have got something incredibly plush. Look at this, they've got rope around it. Ooh. Remember that Judge Dredd car? Look in there. Stark contrast. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Ooh. Let's keep motoring down. Such a mix of Land Rovers and Range Rovers here. Everything from Freelanders all the way up to the latest Range Rover. It doesn't seem to change, to be honest. Don't matter what year you do a video from a Land Rover show, they always come in different shapes and sizes, all different specs and all different conditions. Pretty sure I saw that one head out onto the track now. 38A celebrating 30 years this year, and there is a video on my YouTube channel right now of the 38A Owners Club. They did a wonderful display at the Gaydon Land Rover show earlier this year. Make sure you check that out. Right then, onto the spine road here. Look at that, ready to go, isn't it? Wow, love the look of that. That's very good. Plenty were, of course, used in their military careers. Like the number plate on this one, Gin PR. Let's keep going up, and then you're not going to miss that in a minute, are you? You're not going to colour that, even in the shade it's bright. Wow. And with the roof up, even more room in the back of it. That's fantastic. Let's keep motoring this way. Don't often see them in red, but I have to say that does look rather lovely. Keep going along the spine road over in this direction. I say this morning the weather was absolutely appalling, and now look at it, lovely and sunny. That's cool, isn't it? That just looks complete. Very nice, love that. That's very cool. The Evoque. Not seen many of those at the show today. Plenty of Defenders, plenty of Range Rovers, plenty of Freelanders. Another one not seen much of, Forward Control. Very cool looking thing. Look at that over there. That snuck in, didn't see that coming this morning. That camper sat there. There's a really lovely camper right down there, that one that was in the video earlier. That was rather lovely. Now that's got some presence in it. Look at that. Doesn't that look beefy? Many of these have been out onto the Beaulieu off-road circuit. This one, check this out. So 1.5 Land Rovers. Very good, sir. Like the trailer. Great effort. That's a great effort. Either late entries coming in or them returning from the off-road circuit. Nice to see some mud under the wheels as they come in. Nice to see some of the newer Land Rovers being used, showing what they're capable of. And there we are, we're back up the top of the spine road. Now let's head back to the main arena. Let's find out who our winners are in the People's Choice Award. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you to put your hands together for our owners and drivers. Owners and drivers, please come down and join your vehicles. Put your hands together, please, ladies and gents. Tell us what we brought in here.
This is our, well, it's obviously our Land Rover. It's got a 4.2 V8 in, and we've taken the roof off and added the roll bar.
Excellent. So very much a summer car.
Very much, unfortunately. We had to wait for the rain to stop to get here.
I was going to say, did you drive in with the roof down and it pouring down with rain? Excellent. That's what we like to see. Next, my oh my, this does look lovely, doesn't it? Tell us what we've got.
Stock standard Series 1 with a 2-litre engine.
Fantastic. So the right engine for it?
Yes. Yeah, it is the correct engine.
Excellent. And have you done the restoration work on this?
Yes, I have done all the restoration, yeah.
Terrific. How long did that take?
About 2 years.
Wow. And finally, come on to you, sir. What we got here?
We got a Land Rover Series 2A with a Land Rover Series 3 dash, Series 3 wings, and a 3.5 V8 in it.
So a bit of a Frankenstein.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, a bit of a Frankenstein.
Excellent, excellent. Well, this is the joy of Simply rallies. We don't know who's going to win. We've got no idea what people are going to vote for. So now, it was a very close run thing, this. Between the runners-up and the winner is 1 vote. And I'm not joking, 1 vote separates them. The way this works, we've got 2 runners-up and an overall winner. There's not a third, second and first, there's 2 runners-up and an overall winner. And I have the pleasure of telling you that the first of our runners-up here at Beaulieu, at Simply Land Rover, is 'Tis you, sir. You are the first of our runners-up, but you're in the top 3. Well done to you, sir. You pleased?
Yeah, very happy with that. Thank you. Yeah.
Excellent. And this sounded wonderful coming in. And of course, you have won some prizes as well. So if you'd like to head over to the table to collect your prizes, ladies and gentlemen, please do put your hands together for the first of our runners-up. So, ladies and gents, the next runner-up here at Simply Land Rover at Beaulieu is... It is you, sir. Very close run thing. There was one vote between you. Congratulations, you ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for your next runner-up. And prizes, again, from Spitfire Detailing. Which means, have the pleasure of telling you that your winner, the People's Choice Award winner here at Simply Land Rover, the Series 1. Well done to you, sir. You pleased?
Thank you.
Pleased?
I'm very pleased indeed.
When you were restoring it, was it your aim for it to be an award-winning car?
No, definitely not.
Well, you've done it. You've gone and built an award-winning car as voted for by everybody here. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Now, if you have, can I ask a favour? Underneath this video, you'll find a thumbs up. If you hit that, it works with the YouTube algorithm to help put this video in front of more people just like you. And if you've really enjoyed it, why not think about hitting that subscribe button? You'll get a new video from me pretty much every week, either about cars, bikes, trucks or tanks. And speaking of, later this year is coming up tanks, trucks and firepower. An amazing show full of Land Rovers, trucks, tanks and firepower. I think you'll like it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.